Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is again very creative and beautiful because in this video I am going to share very beautiful hand embroidered flower design ideas with the help of which you can create many type of very beautiful hand arts. Other words, we can also say that you can create your masterpieces of hand art. Friends, I want to clarify one thing in this video, that most of you are continuously complaining in comments that you are not getting what you want, or you have some issues, or your choices or your interest based stuff is not being shown. So how could I know that what you want me to share with you? Because in most of my videos I massively request you to kindly please make a habit of leaving comments so that we could get to know that what you want from us and what you want to suggest us for improvement, or for the sake of your broader perspective of fashion ideas. So please don't forget to leave comments and let us know what you feel about our content and what you want us to show you, to share with you in our upcoming videos. And friends, you can make very beautiful and creative pieces of hand embroidery like hoop art, wall art. You can also make these very beautiful hand embroidery kit designs inspired by nature to gift your loved ones. You can also create a very beautiful and a remarkable design ideas of home decor, like you can make these patterns onto your table covers, table mats, onto your cushion covers, pillow covers, for making bedsheet embroidery patterns and many more different types of creative home decor ideas. So if you really like my today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Meet you soon back in my new videos. Up till then, take care.